Hi, in this video we will see how do we create the branches. We have seen what do we mean by branching and how it will help you. So let me open the command prompt. I already have cloned the repository, right? So first thing I need to create the branch. How do we create the branch? Git branch and name of the branch FTLMN. Git branch FTLMN. Okay, I already have created the branch called as FTLMN. If you want to check how many branches are there, git branch. Can you see ABC, FTLMN, FTPP, FTMain. FT means feature PP, feature element. So in my code, I need to add now feature element. Now I want to switch. If you see this thing, when you say git branch, star and FTPP is in the green, which means that this is the current branch. So I want to switch to the FT element. How do you create the new branch? Git branch FT element. It might not give you any error. This branch is already created. That's why it has given the error. If you type this thing git branch FT element, it will not give you any error if branch is absent in your machine. Now I already have created, I have checked it. Now git checkout. How do you change the branch? Git checkout and name of the branch FTLMN. Hit the enter. Can you see switch to the branch? Again do git branch. When you say git branch, now it is in the FTLMN. Now inside the FTLMN, what I wanted to do, I just want to create a new file called as new file lmn.txt. lmn.txt. So I will copy this message. This is a lmn file. Okay, abc lmn pqr xyz txt. Now rest of the things are same. You created the branch FT element. Now what I wanted to do, I want to just make git status now. Can you see element.txt is an untracked file on the branch FT element. Just do git add element.txt. So you need to go to the folder actually, because it is inside the VS Code demos folder, and git add element.txt. Well, after this git commit. I hope you remember this thing. If you don't remember, go to the git session and revise it. Git commit /m, and here you can say git commit /m testing branching element ft. Hit the enter. Right, in the FT element you have pushed the code. Now git push, if you remember, well, there is an error. In the case of the branch, we need to set origin to this branch name. Presently your origin is pointing to the main branch, so we need to change that. Can you see git push -- set upstream origin will start pointing to FT element. Look at the command git push set upstream. Origin is not a main branch right now, so origin would be the FT element. Hit the enter, right, and go to the here, and if you go inside, see this is the main branch. Presently there is no element txt. Can you see that there is no element txt? Now you can go here. Now select the branch FT element, and if you go inside this, can you see element.txt is available over here, but this element.txt is not available inside the main branch. This element.txt, I'll select the main branch. Element.txt is not available inside the main branch. element.txt is not available inside the main branch. Right? Now what I need to do, I would like to merge, as we discussed, I would like to merge the code from the feature branch to your main branch. How do you do that? Just clear it. Just switch it to the main first. Git checkout main. Okay, you switched it to the main. Copy this, git merge, and ft_lmn. Merge with which branch? ft_lmn. Hit the enter. Can you see fast forward? Now once you do the merge, make a git pull again and git push. Remember that you are inside the main, so you don't need to change the upstream. Now go over here, just refresh it, and if you go over here, if you can see element.txt. So this element.txt had came after the merging. Element.txt had came after the merging. So main branch and the feature branch getting merged, and whenever that merge will happen, codes from the both branches would be getting merged together, right? So this is nothing but what the git merge command. Git checkout we have seen, git branch we have seen, and like that. Now how do we do this thing? Okay, you can delete the branch also. Git branch -d, name of the branch. You try this on your own. Pretty easy thing, not a big deal. Now what I wanted to tell is that you have done this thing by means of commands. This can be done by means of the VS Code. Let us see in the next video. If you get any queries, if you need any clarification, write it in the chat box, comment box. Thank you.